Welcome back, boys and girls. Today's lesson is on reading and writing numbers. So I have already up here, I have my hundreds chart, but for reading and writing in kindergarten, we're only focused on numbers 1 through 20. And your students have already gone over how to write 1 through 10. One and done, around and back, two, 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 around a tree, around a tree. This is how we make a 3. I'll do some of the little sayings, but your children should know how to do these. Down across, down once more. This is how you make a 4. Neck short, belly fat. Number 5 has a hat. Down and around and there's a 6. And we've gone over these. Across and down and around and through the gate. This is how we make an 8. Make a circle and a line. This is how you make a 9. 1 and 0 is 10. So the next part is where it gets confusing for writing numbers. Obviously, 11 is not a problem. 1 and 1. But oftentimes, for kindergarten, instead of it being 12, you will see this. Is that the number 12, boys and girls? Let's use our thinking cap. No, that is 2 and a 1. The 2 can't go first. That number is 21. So in order for it to be 12, you have to write it in the correct order. 1 and then a 2. So then for the next teen number, a 1 and then a 3. Now for 14, what do you hear first? You hear the 4. I got it. So I'm going to put 14. Is that right? No, boys and girls. And I know why y'all think it, because you think 14. But it's not 14. That is 41. So it's not that. Remember, when we do the teen numbers, the 1 goes in front. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 5. 16. Let's do it. 16. Is that 16, boys and girls? Is that 16? No, that's 61. Numbers, especially writing them, after we do our to 10, it gets tricky. 16, a 1 and a 6, 1 and a 7, 1 and an 8, 19, 19. Is that right? No, we've gone over this to where you should know this is now 91. See it way down here at 91. 19 should be a 1 and a 9. It's way up here. So it is 1, 9. And then what comes after 1, 9? 20. 2 and a 0 is 20. What I want you guys to do, and girls to do, is I want you to practice writing your numbers 1 to 20. Have your parents check it. Make sure if you reverse your numbers, it is wrong. You need to make sure you write them in the correct order. Now, occasionally, you might see something like this. That's 1 and a backward 3 for 13. That is something we often see in kindergarten. And what I would suggest you parents do is draw a line and say, now look back here and fix that, and make it a 1 and try to draw it the correct way. But if you see that, no need to panic. That is something kindergartners do. But what we do not want to see is a 3 and a 1. That's just simply wrong, and they need to redo it again and learn that that is a 1 and a 3 in this order. Parents, I'm so excited. Students, I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed my lesson on reading and writing numbers. Write your numbers to 20 at home.